So we keep getting a regular query nowadays saying that my MacBook suddenly stopped working and it's not turning on. And I've also tried keeping it on charge overnight, but still it doesn't turn on. One serious suggestion I would like to give to people whose MacBooks are not turning on in spite of overnight charge: if it is not turning on for the next 4 or 5 trials, please do not keep your MacBook on charge overnight, because it will kill the battery instantly. It is known that once the battery is fully charged, it will not charge. No, it is a myth. Especially in MacBooks, when your charger light turns green, it is just an indication for you to unplug it from the charge, but that doesn't mean it will not charge anymore, it is stopped charging. No, it never happens that way. If your MacBook is not turning on in spite of multiple trials, it is the issue with the motherboard. Please do not try to keep your MacBook on charge overnight and trying to turn it on. It will kill your battery instantly. Just make sure you're contacting the right person if your MacBook is not turning on. If it's not turning on, please do not keep it on charge for the whole night. So a small tip I would like to give: the issue is the motherboard related. If it's not turning on, it's not with the battery or anything. So please do not kill your battery just because your MacBook is not turning on. So that's all I want to say. Have a nice day.